Hey guys, happy Friday. I am here to explain to you all about how to do your choice board. So let's go get started. So as you look at the choice board, when you hit on the PDF in a minute, you're going to see that you have four choices. And you can choose any of the four. You can do all four choices. I am totally fine with whatever you choose to do. But at the top it says pick one choice from the four choices, so at least one. Complete the drawing, and when you're finished, you're going to upload it to the Choice Board Friday Gallery on Artsonia, and the link is in there for the Artsonia explanation of how to upload if you haven't done it before. So walking through your choices, you can either create your own video game character, draw your dream vacation, and it can be a real place or an imaginary place. You can design your own home, or you can go to Art Hub for Kids, their YouTube channel, and pick 1 to 4 drawings to draw. So these two kind of self-explanatory. The video game character, you can either come up with a video game character that would be added to a video game you like to already play, or it can be a video game